wanting to shoot. But there's nothing in it for me.
Okay, so you're
Like I have, like she's got.
lift your
Six
right foot a little bit more,
pounds.
just like this with both feet.
Yeah.
And both feet to 6 shoulder.
You're not
Like that.
rock
And
dead
then out from the
stomach.
chair legs a little
What
bit.
does that do for me? Like,
Yeah,
I'm
out
not
from-
gonna use the bitches for anything.
away from the chair legs.
So it
a
does
little
nothing for me.
Yeah.
bit. Sorry, your feet.
Like
Yeah,
it's-
like that.
Yeah, no, you're right, I get that.
It's not mutually beneficial, so I want you to pay up. And there are times where I like her look, so I'll do it for nothing because I want to go
And
shoot.
then
I don't
your
care.
head turned the other way.
But
Like that. Yes.
it just-
Oh,
there's nothing in it for me, so.
There we
No,
go.
I get it, that totally makes sense.
There.
But
And if
she,
you can turn your head
consistently.
to facing me, but
and every
like
single
that.
time, but these are my
At
weights.
least she's
I know you told your friend you're not okay. And tell me what's wrong and why you never said you felt that way. And guess you're trying to stay strong and fake a smile until I look away. But I've known you too long, it hurts to watch your blue eyes fade to gray as you fade away. As you fade away.
Yeah, I'm about to fade away. Cause every time I wake up I feel like it's Monday. Something's going wrong with all the chemicals up in my brain. All of a sudden I don't look at anything the same way. Gotta build up of my thoughts sitting in it.
My phone definitely doesn't.
My brain told me because I touched that with my finger, which is one finger. I can't touch anything. And I'll ask for a try, guys, but that's usually how long anxiety.
Okay, so we'll keep my phone for 20 minutes. I don't care. I'm not busy.
No, she won't touch my phone, man.
RobertJDeek.com. J.
Her comment is so wrong.
R-O-B-E-R-T.
Yeah, I paused at R. Like, it's the
J.
second R. J.
D-E-A-K.
Robert James Deek.
.com.
J.
A-K.com.
That looks good.
And then
Like that.
in the menu, click the portfolio. And then all of them are there.
An ashtray. I'm sorry that I'm so inconvenient, okay. Just let me be me and I'll stay out of your way. I can see the way you look at me, I'm such a disgrace. I never really asked to be brought into this place. You wanna love me? Well then baby have a taste. All the highs and the lows, no you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change.